Okay guys, so as you can see, you see where the market reversed, okay, to the tick on the ATR, as you can see here, to the tick guys, to the tick. Okay, so you gotta be aware of this. Okay, so still I don't see any buyers here. Okay, so we're about 20 minutes to the close. The market is just making like kind of adjustments, buyers and sellers all over the place. You can see between the lines in the tape. Okay, so not a fierce buying momentum right now. So there's nothing to do right now. We need to wait. Okay, guys. So just just to let you know, it takes a little bit of screen time because to understand the system, guys. Because the system is order flow based. Okay, so as you can see, it has all these boxes here. Okay, you see the boxes. The boxes are congestion. So the market is congesting. It's not doing nothing. As you can see here, it's congesting. It's congesting. Then we see two boxes. It's congesting. It's not doing too much. Okay, for example, we go here. We go here. You see, this is these three boxes here. These three boxes. Let's see. 1, 2, and 3. Okay, when you see these guys, when you see these three boxes congesting, 3, and you see an ATR, the market is like a plane landing. Okay, what does a plane do when it's gonna, arrive to an airport? It spread its wings, and it kind of stalls in the air. Okay, so that was the what that is the same thing. It may sound kind of a little bit funny, but that is a way to explain it. So you see this market is stopping. Okay, so you need to prepare yourself. Okay, the boxes are not here, guys, just for fashion. These guys are helping you to understand price action. In past videos, I always talk about them. People just, don't understand how to use them. What happens when the market does this? It's a perfect triangle. This is algorithmic done. It's not done by humans. This is algorithmic, and the market goes ballistic. Okay, so that's how it works. That's how it works. It's as easy as that. You see here. You see here again.
Brick setup.
How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, and we hit the ATR. Market is stopping all the way down, stopping, 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 stopping. It's accumulating. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, that's it's not complicated to understand. You need to work in areas where the market reverses. Okay, as you see this chart, how many times the market respected and reacted to those areas. What does that mean? That the market is watching this chart. Okay, these areas. So you need to take that into account and just trade accordingly. Wait for the tape to confirm. Wait for the tape to confirm, else you will lose money. Okay, so that's very important, guys, for you to know. And trade what you see, not what you think, because if you think, you will lose.